Okay students, now we have exercise E, that is composition, and it is also on book page number 38. There are the two statements that are given to you to make your own self writing, and that will be very helpful for you to complete or to compose a paragraph. First discuss this. It is only a little twig. Suppose that it is only a little twig with a green bud at the end, but if you plant and dot 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 dot, it means that you will continue it with your own mind, vocabulary words and own ideas. So I have a sample of it. First you should have to take the question. What is the question? What happens when you plant a little twig with a green bud? When you plant it, what will happen? All the answers are in the poem. You can find the answers from the reading. How many ideas you can add to the ones already presented in the poem? So I have a sample for it for you. That will be done on your notebook. Your mostly work will be done on your notebook. So there is the composition, and this is the statement which have already we discussed. After that I have a sample for you that it is not necessary for you to write these sentences that I have shown you. Like you can use your own mind and your own ideas. So there is water it, set it, it will grow into a tall bush with many flowers and green leaves. Obviously when you set it and when you do proper care of it, so it will convert it into a little plant, and after that it will convert it into a beautiful and big tree. But there is also the other condition of it. But if you throw it in a closest with other useless things, if you throw it the tiny little twig with the bud at the end, what will happen? Other useless thing, it will shrivel, be wasted. ये वेस्ट हो ही जाएगा, ज़ाहिर है इसको जब प्रॉपर अटेंशन नहीं मिलेगी, केयर नहीं मिलेगी. एंड आफ्टर मैनी डेज व्हेन यू विल सी, इट लुक्स लाइक अ ट्विस्टेड नेल. मुझाया हुआ वो कील लगेगा, ऐसा लगेगा ही नहीं कि वो एक मतलब लिविंग थिंग थी. प्लांट्स आर आल्सो लिविंग थिंग्स. सो दिस इज़ द composition that I have already written for you for as a sample. You can use your own vocabulary words and your own ideas. So there is the second statement. It is only an ordinary lead pencil. What is this? This is an ordinary lead pencil. What is the but when we use it for a useful things, that it will not an ordinary lead pencil, it will convert it into a special one. So there is the statement, and after that they give us a question statement. Write a paragraph or two about what you might do with a pencil. What you might do with this pencil. This is a lead pencil, an ordinary pencil, but what might you do with the pencil? So here is also a sample of lead pencil, uses of lead pencil. Use it, it will help you a lot. With it you can write beautiful poetry and moral stories. Obviously when you use it and you will write anything else, it can help in exams, it can help you to get education. You have to use this what we can say, that object for the studies. So it will help you to get education. You can make drawings with it. And what can an architect do? He will use it to make beautiful sketches of the houses. So it is not an ordinary pencil, it is very special because it helps us to get education. Without it we cannot do anything. So it is not an ordinary, it is a special one. So after that you will write these two statements on your notebooks. After that we have a project, and that is project very easy for you. There is work with a classmate. Study work आपने करना है class. Study the list, word and phrase you use in exercise B2 exercise है, उसको आपने देखना है. Can you think of other suitable noun to go with the adjectives सूटेबल आपने नाउन वहाँ पे नाउन्स दिए हुए हैं तो सूटेबल एडजेक्टिव्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं उसके साथ और ज़्यादा. यू हैव चूजन, जो आपने चूज़ किए, मेक अ लिस्ट एंड देन कंपेयर योर लिस्ट विद दोज मेड बाय द अदर इन क्लास. तो आपने ये एक लिस्ट बनानी है, ये मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ किधर है. ऑन बुक पेज नंबर 36, ऑन बुक पेज नंबर 36 एंड दैट इज़ B2. ये हम लोग पहले कर चुके हुए हैं. इसके व्हाट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड, डिस्क्राइब अ नाउन. सो देयर आर नाउन्स. So there are nouns like closest, nail, wind, grass blade, roots and leaves. We have already have written the adjectives of the nouns, so we can make easily the list like big closest, twisted nail, cool wind, small grass blade, long roots, green leaves. So आप इस तरह से इसकी लिस्ट बनाएं नोटबुक्स के ऊपर. ये एक प्रोजेक्ट है, ये आपको हेल्प भी करेगा. एडजेक्टिव्स भी आप अच्छी तरीके से लिख सकेंगे. ठीक है. बिग क्लोजर, शार्प नेल, कूल विंड, ग्रीन लीव, स्ट्रॉन्ग रूट, स्मॉल ग्लास पेड्स. तो फिर इसको आपने कंपेयर करना था अपने स्टूडेंट फेलो के साथ, यानी कि आपका जो क्लास फेलो उसके साथ. लेकिन अभी ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, तो आपने ये प्रोजेक्ट ज़रूर कंप्लीट करना है. आपको ये एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में मज़ीद मालूमात देगा. ठीक है. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. सो दिस इज़ योर lecture number 4 of the poem, and that will end of the lesson, the poem. So you should have to write it with neat and clean writing. After that we have our word sentences. These are word sentences, extension work. This is extended pleasant. Today we will learn 5 vocabulary words with meaning, and I will tell you the first 2 words sentences, and you will make of other 3. Okay. Pleasant. The word is pleasant. That is not pleasant, that is pleasant. Pleasant. Pleasant, खुशगवार. I will make a sentence like that. What is a pleasant weather today? कितना खुशगवार दिन है आज का. ठीक है. या it is a pleasant gift for me. Obviously, OBVIOUSLY, obviously ज़ाहरी तौर पर. Obviously ज़ाहरी तौर. Obviously it is not my lesson. Obviously it is not my habit to make fun of others. These are the sentences. Okay. Now here and there, यहाँ वहाँ, you can easily use this vocabulary words for your sentence making. Health. What is health? सेहत. Message. पैगाम. I have message for you. मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए एक पैगाम है. So there are the 5 vocabulary words you should have to learn by heart. These are very important. Okay. Pleasant, खुशगवार. Obviously ज़ाहरी तौर पर. Here and there, यहाँ वहाँ. Health, सेहत. Message, पैगाम. Pleasant. What is pleasant? Adjective. Obviously. What is obviously? Adverb. Here and there, adverb. Health, noun. Message, noun. So this is your extension work. So student, this is your diary. Write and learn summary and composition plus make sentences of given words. These are 5 words that I have given you to make sentences. I have already told the pleasant obviously and a message as well. So you can it is very easy to make sentences of your own. And this is your diary. Okay, Allah Hafiz.